Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sau and I will explain this code to make the IMDB clone project. Here you can see this is header. We have an input tag which is for movie search and we have two other buttons which is for favorite list and watch list. Here there is a div which is showing categories like popular movies, top rated movies. Here are three more buttons which is for favorite list, watch list and search. Now this is movie page HTML page. Here you can also check this is header, same header as our index HTML page, which is having movie search, watch list button, favorite list button. There is also another container which have back button of this page to get back to the home page. There are these three buttons which is favorite list, watch list and search, just same as our index page. This is my common CSS page, as both the pages, home page and the movie page, both pages contain movie search, favorite list and watch list button. This is home page CSS page. This is common media queries which will be used inside our page. Now coming to the JavaScript file, these are some constant and APIs which I have used in this project. This function is used to show notification. This function is changing our inner HTML file and toggling toggling offset and toggling offset again within this set timeout function. Here, this function is taking five arguments: title, ID, date, path, category, and then create an element using this information and then append element to category. This function This function is used to append element in favorite list and watch list. Two arguments are passed inside this function and element just fetching details from the API and then adding key value pair inside local storage, creating element with face details and then appending here. This function this function is called when you initialize home page and someone search anything. Two arguments API and category is passed here, fetching details and running for loop and calling create and append list function with information as a argument. This function is used to add or append favorite and watch list movie inside favorite and watch list. It checks if the movie is already present in the favorite or watch list. If not, then it will call create and append list function. This function will be called from initializing function when someone refresh or revisit the page. A for loop will be run and call create and append list function with required arguments, that is movie ID and where to append. This function will be called when someone want to add movie or want to delete a movie from favorite or watch list. This function will be called when someone search any movie, then it will call another function, fill category function with argument which the user has given. It will be called when key of event happen. These here, these these are just some event listeners, and this function will be called when the user visit the page or refresh and then call fill category function and fill list function to fill the page and favorite list and watch list. These are some if else condition to check whether we are on the movie page or home page.